How to vibe code an anti-gravity SaaS in the Anti-Gravity IDE. So if you are still sitting at your desk manually typing out endless lines of boilerplate code, debugging missing commas, and wrestling with complex framework installations, you are working too hard. The engineering landscape has fundamentally evolved. We have officially entered the era of vibe coding. So this means that you stop acting like the syntax typing machine and start acting like a creative director or a orchestra conductor. You provide the high-level vision, the aesthetic parameters, and the structural goals, while an advanced environment like the IDE by Anti-Gravity handles 100% of the underlying codebase, database wiring, and system integration. Today we are executing a complete masterclass on how to vibe code a massive real-time mass reduction SaaS platform from scratch. We will cover how to establish our initial application intent, handle real-time feedback loops, and delegate advanced features without writing a single line of manual code. So just fire up your monitors, lean back in your chairs, drop into your creative flow state, and let's change how you build software forever. Alright guys, so don't forget, if you want to code with the maximum efficiency, just go ahead and open up Anti-Gravity page and then grab yourself an app. And also, don't forget that IDE is also needed. You can either grab it manually from Google or just open up Anti-Gravity and press download IDE right over here. So in a traditional development setup, starting a new project means running a massive chain of terminal commands just to configure your environment. When you vibe code, your setup phase is a direct conversation with your editor. So let's open up our IDE and our workspace. So this is it. On the right side of the screen, you will see the creative prompting rail. This is the control deck where you feed your system instructions. Instead of dictating rigid database schemas or precise API endpoints, you describe the exact vibe and operational logic of the platform you want to create. To build our core telemetry and tracking network, we're going to drop a single massive master prompt into the rail. So look closely at how this is written. We aren't telling the computer how to code, we are telling it what to achieve. Copy this exact blueprint script, paste it into your IDE prompt, and then hit compile. So you can make your own, or you can make something similar to my prompt if you want. So as you can see, mine is quite a bit detailed. So just choose your model. I recommend 3.1 Pro by Gemini and press compile. Right, and the exact moment you press execute, the automated generation engine takes over. If you look at your left-hand folder directory, you can actually watch files, styles, and backend logic chains generating themselves in real time. And also, here's the true magic of vibe coding. The real-time visual feedback loop, also known as the continuous vibe check. So click on proceed. A live graphical viewpoint splits open on the left half of your screen. As the system compiles the codebase behind the scenes, the live running application builds itself right before your eyes. You don't have to save your work, restart local service, or manually refresh your browser. You can instantly see your navigation menus loading it in, your dark-themed layouts, cards rendering, and your real-time tracking streams animating. So allow all of this, of course. Also, if an element doesn't match your visual standard, you don't jump into a style sheet file to adjust pixel values. You stay right inside your prompting rail and give direct feedback like a boss reviewing a layout mockup. You can just type, for example, this kind of editing prompt right here, or something similar. I'm not going to send it, it's just an example for you guys. And the editor intercepts your critique, rewrites the layout layers, and flashes the updated UI onto your screen in a fraction of a second. Now, a common misconception about vibe coding is that it's only useful for simple landing pages or basic website mockups. That is completely wrong. You can delegate highly complex, production-ready backend systems to the IDE because the tool understands full system architecture. So let's check the safety critical backend files the compiler just generated for us. So you can open up any of the files and look at them. Our master prompt told the system to build an automated healer rule for field drops. The AI didn't just guess, it wrote a complete data handler that reads the incoming device payload, verifies the numbers against our safety thresholds, and handles network timeouts seamlessly. Accepted. If the compiler runs into an unexpected version conflict or a broken connection logic error while generating these deep systems, you don't drop out of your creative flow state to hunt for bugs. The IDE features a built-in self-healing engine. It intercepts its own compiler errors, traces the dependency conflict, rewrites the syntax automatically, and keeps your project moving forward without you ever looking at a terminal logline. You just focus on the production features, and the IDE manages the code stability. And guys, as always, don't forget, you can always make changes. So if you see any error, any file, anything you don't like in any of the setup files and scripts, you can always make adjustments by going once again into our prompts window and just talking to our agent just like you would to a real individual. Yeah, you can just scroll through these. As you can see also we have the file tree on the left. You can browse these, see every single file. Yeah, everything is at the reach of your hand here. And guys, then our final step is validating our complete automated creation. So you can just go down to your built-in system console at the bottom of the IDE and run the global simulation script to push your platform live. So this is the command. And guys, you can open the dashboard link on your screen. So to verify the whole pipeline, fire a simulated data packet into your fresh network route. You can watch your visual dashboard. The database instantly launches the matrix. Your workspace widgets update their graphs live. The healing algorithm confirms the safety margins, and your consumption billing track records the usage events perfectly. Your complete SaaS architecture is fully operational, and you don't spend a single second tracking down typing mistakes. Vibe coding turns software engineering into pure creative production, allowing you to build complex digital businesses as fast as you can express your thoughts. As always, guys, hit that subscribe button right now to keep your software optimization strategies, technical tutorials, and advanced high-performance workflows completely streamlined. Also drop into your creative flow state and vibe code your application built cleanly today, and I'll see you in the next build.